Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, this is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and this is the time-lapse video of how I created the Casey Neistat wood burning. I hope you guys all enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later at the end of the video. So let's get to work with it like this. Okay, so here I'm just going to loop that same little shot again so that you guys can maybe pause it and take a look at any of the things that you want to see. I'm going to be taking some high-res pictures of this so that I can stitch it all together to make one large image that everybody can zoom in on. I still have yet to figure out how exactly to do that. But that, guys, is going to be it for this video. I want to thank all of my Patreon supporters, especially Randy, Robinbert, and Mike Maxwell. Those guys get a shout out in every single video because they're the top tier Patreon supporters. If you guys want to help support what I do or really enjoy the videos and want to help out in any way, that is probably the best way to do so, and I will leave a Patreon link up in the top right corner of the screen as well as in the description as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend, and as always, enjoy the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.